everybody, this is nbweb.com, and at this time we would like to present our latest plugin for Joomla version 1.5, and it's called NB Facebook Comments. So you can simply grab it from our website, downloads section, and here you also find some basic information like technical specifications, features, some photos, video, manuals, and so on. So in this video I would like to talk more about plugin features and what it can actually do in real world. Okay, so at first I have to install this plugin. It's pretty simple. You have to download it from our website and install it using extension manager. Okay, so let's go now to plugin manager place and choose here content NV Facebook comments. Okay, so this is the main plugin window, which has pretty much parameters, which I'm gonna describe for you now and talk a little bit about each of these parameters. Okay, the first param is Facebook locale. The default is English, and you can input your locale if you like, depending on your country or language. Number of posts, so the number of comments that will show up by default on your page, and the default is 10, and you can set your value if you like, say 20, 13, and so on. The next param is plugin width, and you can set plugin dimensions in pixels. Okay, and color scheme, it's light or dark. Okay, and this one, plugin admin Facebook IDs. You can add administrator identification numbers, so that people will be administrators of your comments plugin, so they can delete comments and so on. Okay, so I just put here one ID. Now the application ID. Okay, I guess this one. Okay, let's I think I have to choose another one. All right, this one. Okay, and that should be enough to start with this plugin, and now we have to see how it works, and later we will go on with the rest of the parameters. Okay, so let's choose all content sections and all categories where the plugin has to show up. Okay, 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 all right. Okay, so let's enable it and see how it works, and later we will come back here and change the values. Okay, so let's choose some section here in website. Alright, so probably I have to sign in Facebook. Okay, just some comment here. Alright. Okay. Okay, so I'm logged in. So the plugin is working, and now we can go back to administrator zone and change the rest parameters. So let's make a little bit wider this plugin. So I just increase the value to 600 pixels. Okay, apply and refresh. Okay, so that's cool. So the next params is top divider, bottom divider, and so we can surround the whole plugin with some HTML tags. For example, if I like to put here some border or something else, I just put some HTML tags, open tag, close tag, and that's all, and see how it works. And how you see the red border is on the plugin. So you can add your styles wherever you like. Okay, so I just leave it. It looks awful, but that's for testing purposes only. Okay, so content sections and content categories. So you can choose where you want your plugin to show up. You can select sections and categories. Let's say you need this plugin in news section, but you don't need this in FAQ and about Joomla section or something else. So this is the same with content categories also. The next param is show on categorized. So you can show this plugin, show or not show in uncategorized categories, if you have such categories, of course. You can also show this plugin on the front page. Okay, we can see how it works. Oh well, it's it looks pretty awful. But of course, if you have some specific template or web design and you need this plugin to appear on your front page, so you can simply do this. Okay, so I just switch this feature off. We can also show comments count. Okay, so we will see now how it works. Okay, let's say left divider, right divider. Okay, apply. And now in our website we will have comments count string. So this is your article name, and next comes the comments count. Okay, so we can choose some category, the news, let's say, and here we have free comments. Actually, these comments counting is it's not always correct. Actually, sometimes in web page there are, let's say, 5 comments, but Facebook returns that there are only, let's say, 3 comments or something else. So, you know, it sometimes has some strange behavior, like the whole Facebook system. Okay, so and these left dividers, right dividers, so you can put your symbols here. Let's say these symbols, and just refresh, and here you go. Okay, so just to leave that brackets, and next feature is send notifications. So if your visitor leaves a comment in your website, so you will get the notification. This notification is important if you interested in all comments of your visitors. If you wonder what comments your visitors leave on your website, so you can get these notifications straight to your email. So all you have to do is to switch this feature on and put here emails list. So we can just let's say put your email addresses divided by column. So you can put here as many emails as you wish. So just don't forget to separate these emails by comma. So that's all you have to do. And you also can set your email subject. The default is just a new Facebook comment from your website. This string is your website, and the date that comment was put into your website. Okay, and email from, so you can add your email address that will appear on from field. Another interesting feature is SEO boost, and Facebook comment system like okay, just open the comments, and this comment system is based on iframe, and search engines can see the comments your visitors posted. So the SEO boost feature to search engines to crawl the commands. So all commands that are posted to your website, it also appears in crawlable format for search engines. Okay, so you can also change some features here, some attributes like comments header line. Okay, let's say comments. Okay. The next attribute is hide from your visitors. So you can hide these comments from your visitors because sometimes it can be strange when you come to website and you see here some comments and also other comments that actually the same after previous comments, so it can lead visitors to some misunderstanding. So you can actually hide these comments from your visitors, but these comments will be visible to search engines. But also it is not recommended to do this because if search engine will find out this, so it can drop you out from search index. Okay, so it's all up to you actually what you want to do with this, so it's your responsibility only. Okay, and you can put here time format, and time format comes here, and you can also cache this these commands, and this feature will make your website work faster because these commands are taken from Facebook system, and sometimes it can be very slow, so it is recommended to use cache feature, and all you have to do is to select yes or use global. If you use cache feature for all your website, so you can just select use global param, use global value, and also you can input your cache time in seconds. Okay, and the next params is like button. So you can use the like and send buttons under your article, so you don't have to use other plugin to have these buttons here. So all you have to do is to switch this attribute on, and the other parameters are pretty basic. So you can choose your layout style, white, show faces, and so on. Also you can choose the font, and the last parameter is show copyright, and this copyright appears here at the bottom of the plugin, and if you like you can switch it off, but If you leave it on, we would be very thankful, because it will help us to keep the good work on, and more people around the world will know more about this plugin. So if you have any questions or suggestions, or you find any bugs on this plugin, feel free to contact us. And also, if you need some assistance in developing Joomla projects or websites or e-commerce systems, so feel free to write us, and all contact details you will find in our website contact section. So that's all for today. So use this plugin and good luck.